Warning, your workouts might be a total disaster waiting to happen. Are you wobbling uncontrollably, squatting into a flamingo flop, or lifting with a back like a question mark? I've been there, and it's tougher than it looks. I was a struggler nearly kissing the floor mid-squat, yelling, "Workouts are trash," until I cracked a shocking secret. Most of you are sabotaging your gains with sloppy moves. Today, I'm igniting a riot to fix 5 workout disasters backed by science and turn you into a strength machine. Botched a move? Drop fail below. I've got your rescue locked. Before we explode, a massive shout out, you are the fire behind Muscle Mindset. Smash that like button to kick off this riot, subscribe for epic fixes and brutal truths. Let's dominate together starting now. I was a workout struggler, knees buckling, back hunched, skipping warm-ups like a lazy champ. Then Strength and Conditioning Journal 2023 dropped a truth bomb. Bad form tears, muscles in the wrong spots knees, back instead of glutes or biceps, slashing gains by up to 40%. No warm-up, you're revving a cold, engineless power, more strain. Skip recovery, progress stalls, like a car with no oil. Fun fact, 80% of gym rats skip warm-ups and wonder why they're soropathetic. Here's the twist: pain isn't glory, it's a siren. I pushed no pain, no gain until a deadlift tweak sidelined me. Pain screams, "Fix this!" and we will! Workouts aren't just about lifting. They're a full body riot leg stabilizing, core locking, back supporting. I went from flop to fierce your turn to rise. Real struggle time, brace yourself. I once benched with ego on turbo, shoulders rolled forward, chest dead. A buddy yelled, "Fix your foundation." Dropped weight, pinched blades, and BAM power surged. That's your ticket to unstoppable strength. Time to crush 5 workout disasters. Let's fix them with no fluff. Disaster number 1. Sloppy form. Squatting like a shaky mess, knees caving, back twisting like a pretzel. That's a gain killer. It dumps stress on your spine and knees, not glutes, stalling growth and risking injury. The fix is in. Master bodyweight squats feet, shoulder width, toes out, chest up. Lower for 3 seconds like a ghost chair. Power up, squeeze glutes hard. 3 sets of 15, nail it, and weights bow to you. Disaster number 2. No warm-up. Skipping warm-ups? You're sprinting with rusty hinge-a-such. Cold muscles mean less power and more tears. I creaked like a robot until I started prepping. The fix is in. 5 to 10 minutes of dynamic moves, 20 leg swings each side, 15 jumping jacks, 10 arm circles. Blood flows, power unlocks your rocket fuel. Disaster number 3. Ignoring recovery. No rest, no rewards grinding, daily builds a ghost town. Overwork fries your muscles, halts growth. I crashed after 6 straight days like a burnt bulb. The fix is in. Rest 1 day a week, stretch post, workout quads 30 seconds each side, hamstrings 30 seconds. Reset your body, boost gains. Disaster number 4. Holding your breath. Turning purple mid-lift, I puffed like a cartoon weak and risky. Holding breath spikes pressure, kills core strength. The fix is in. Sink height inhale down on squats, exhale up. Inhale at deadlift bottom, exhale standing. 10 reps with rhythmoxygen fuels your power. Disaster number 5. Overtraining. Daily grind with no break? That's a crash waiting. Muscles grow in rest, not hammer time. The fix is in. Cap at 4 to 5 Daltons, 45 to 60 minutes mix heavy. Squats with light. Yoga. Balance saved me from burnout. 2 hacks to dominate. Mirror check record yourself. Fix slumps like I did with push-ups. Chest explodes. Slow tempo 3 seconds down on squats. 1 up more tension. Bigger gains. Try it. Myth crushed. No pain, no gain. Lies, pain's a stop sign. I learned that the hard way. Shocking stat. Good form cuts injury risk up to 40%, rest boosts growth 20%. Quick win. Record 1 set, fix 1 flaw small step, massive power. Recap fix form, warm up, recover, breathe, balance. These turn slip-ups to strength. Grab my free ebook, The 30-Day Journey. Burn, tone, thrive link below for your 30-day blueprint. Smash like, subscribe, drop your worst fail, I'll shout out the first 50. Let's build the muscle mindset crew. Own it now.